Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fair, I want you instead.
Good day everyone. For today's video, I will going to give and present an example that claims the following premises and conclusions. Later on, I will going to identify the premises and conclusions, and then I will going to evaluate if it is inductive or deductive argument. Now here's the following statement. All dogs are mammals. My pet Brownie is a dog. Therefore, Brownie is a mammal. Now, let's identify the premises. We have here two premises and one conclusion. First premise, all dogs are mammals. Second premise, my pet Brownie is a dog. And the conclusion, therefore Brownie is a mammal. So this type of argument is deductive argument, because the conclusion is logically guaranteed by the premises. If the premises are true, then the conclusion must also be true. This is a classic example of syllogism, a type of deductive argument with two premises. So this argument is both valid and sound deductive argument. Validity. So the argument is valid because the conclusion follows from the premises. Soundness. So the argument is sound because both premises are true. All dogs are indeed mammals and Brownie is a dog. So this is a valid and sound deductive argument because the premises logically necessitate the conclusion and both premises are true. And that's all for my video. Thanks for watching.